Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add sound to your video created on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below and then click on this camera button, then start recording by tapping on the red button. When you are done, click on the pause button, and if you would like to add the sound, when you are done, click on the pause button. You should wait a few seconds and click on the add sound button at the top of the screen. And here you will be able to select from a bunch of options. Here you can see all of the sounds that you can add, but you can also select from distinct categories such as active, cheerful, relaxed, emotional, and so on. Tap on a sound that you would like to add, click on this arrow pointing to the right direction, and then it will add it. You can select the volume of the sound down below as you tap on the speaker button on the right side, and the second slide enables you to select the volume and the sound as well. So if you are done, click on the save button. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.